President Akufo-Addo has appointed 11 judges to the Supreme Court since he assumed office in 2017. He has nominated 4 new judges to go on to the Supreme Court, giving him 15 appointments to the highest court. That will be the highest number of appointments that has ever been made. Indeed, the first 2 judges of the Supreme Court, the nominees, who have appeared before the appointment committee, have been subjected to questions from members regarding the independence and neutrality of judges. According to Justice Kingsley Kunsin and Justice Barbara Kayensu, who appeared before the committee today, the judiciary's independence is still intact, despite some concerns from the public.
I will assure you that the independence of the judiciary is rare. Yes, there are occasions where some persons may be compromised, for which nobody can deny. We have had situations in this country where judges have been dismissed for such behavior. But I can say on authority that the judiciary is independent unless the contrary is proved.
I am aware of some loss in trust and confidence. But from where I am sitting as a judicial officer, I can confidently say that it is not true, with all due respect, that generally the population is losing trust, because the number of cases are increasing day by day.
Justice Barbara Kayensu also said she disagreed with assertions that the Supreme Court has been packed. Indeed, it was the suggestion of the minority leader Haruna Idrisu that Akufo-Addo has appointed so many judges which amounted to packing the courts.
President Mills contributed about 21.4% to appointments to the Supreme Court. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, 28.6%. Nana Addo Dankwa, 78.6%, from 11 to 14 Supreme Court judges. Whether he's mindful of the public purse and whether he's mindful he's protecting the public purse with these numbers is a matter that we all should be looking at. Here alone, 11 of 14 justices of Supreme Court. It has not happened.
But Justice Barbara Kayensu, who is currently a justice of the Court of Appeal, said she did not agree with those assertions.
I think that is a misconception. For a start, it is not a fact that there are going to be 18 members of the Supreme Court should you graciously confirm my appointment, my nomination. As a matter of practice, generally speaking, nominations to the Supreme Court are made when there are vacancies. When some of the Supreme Court judges are going on retirement, and as we're speaking here, a number of them have gone on retirement, thus creating vacancies, and hence my nomination.
On Wednesday, the other 2 nominees will take their turn before the appointment committee. It is expected that Justice Kwame Adibu-Asiedu, Justice Ernest Yaogewu will also take their turn and answer questions as to their suitability to be on the highest court of the land. For Joy News, Kuku Asante, Parliament House, Accra.